My name is Jocelyn Ramirez, and I'm a junior in DeSoto High School. I chose culinary to expand my experiences with baking, and I don't know. I think it gave me the opportunity to get in-hand experience. I just wanted to see what it was all about. Freshman year I joined, and I really liked it, so I've been in culinary for all these 3 years because I really enjoy baking. And I really like how we get in-hand experiences and we get to progress what we already know. Here in the culinary program, we opened a baking club called DeSoto Delights, if you want to go follow our Instagram. We opened this club to just have fun and talk to our peers. It's a very welcoming environment, and we just love baking so much that we had to open our own club. And our people handling it is Miss Perryman and Miss Madison. Here in DeSoto, you could choose to sort in athletics and in the culinary program.